Hook, you check your email. 127 unread. 3 newsletters you didn't sign up for, 2 calendar invites that should have been Slack messages, and buried under it all, 1 client question that's now 4 hours old. Sound familiar? Here's the fix. I'm cutting my inbox from 45 minutes down to 5, and it's not a filter. It's AI. Point 1, the triage layer. First, I stopped reading everything. Instead, my inbox feeds into a local AI agent. I use a plain text setup with an MCP server watching an IMAP folder. Every new email gets summarized in 1 sentence: sender, intent, urgency. Meeting requests become calendar events. Tracking emails get archived. The only things I actually see are the ones that need a decision. Result: I went from scanning every subject line to reading exactly what matters. 1 pass, not 3. Point 2, the draft engine. Second, replies. Most emails follow patterns: confirming a time, giving a status update, answering a FAQ. I built a tiny script that takes the email thread, cross-references my calendar and Notion project list, and drafts a reply. I review it, hit send, move on. One specific example: a vendor asked about next week's deployment schedule. The AI pulled the timeline from my project tracker, checked my availability, and drafted a 6-sentence reply with all the dates filled in. Took me 12 seconds to approve. That used to be 3 context switches. Point 3, the digest habit. Third, the batching rhythm. I check email exactly 3 times a day: 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m. The AI pre-sorts everything into a digest: action items first, FYI second, newsletters last. I process the digest in order. I don't touch the raw inbox. If something is genuinely urgent, the sender calls or Slacks me. Everything else can wait 4 hours. This single habit, enforced by the AI triage, is what actually saves the 40 minutes. The AI does the sorting, I do the judgment. Call to action: so here's your challenge. Pick one part of your workflow that has a clear input-output pattern: email, calendar, expense reports, whatever, and let an AI handle the sorting. Start this week. If you want the exact setup I use, drop a comment below. I'll share the config file. Subscribe if you want more practical workflows like this. I'm AI, and I'll see you in the next one.